Hey y'all, hubby's putting together this adult size bunk bed. I can't wait to see the finished product. It's a real nice bed, y'all. It's got the queen size mattress at the bottom and the full size mattress at the top. So we might be pulling the all nighter with this one. Right. All right, I'll be back. Hey y'all, hubby's putting together this adult size bunk bed. I can't wait to see the finished product. It's a real nice bed, y'all. It's got the queen size mattress at the bottom and the full size mattress at the top. So we might be pulling the all nighter with this one. Right. All right, I'll be back. Ooh, we working on it, y'all. What number is that? 47?
Right? See, peg A into slot 2.
Oh, God.
See?
Y'all see, I took all the pictures off the wall. We can ready to have this family room painted. I'll show y'all a before and after. Because I'm sick of this purple. It's going to be cute. Ooh, we're making progress. Guess what I'm watching, y'all? Dead Presidents. I'm cracking up. I said I wanted to watch me a little throwback movie tonight. I don't want to watch nothing new because then I have to concentrate on it. But this movie right here, I done seen 50 million times. And I don't even have to watch it. I could just listen to it and know what's going on. We got side A and B. You know that? Oh, it's coming along. Oh, y'all, we still at it. It's coming along, coming along, coming along. Got the frame halfway done. This is the memory foam mattress that's going on it. We got to get a mattress for the top. It takes a extra large full size on the top, and the bottom takes a queen. That's the queen over here. Oh my God! I told you we was gonna pull an all-nighter. Look, y'all. It's getting together, babe. Mm-hmm. It's coming along, coming along. Look at that. Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Ooh, y'all, I'm so sleepy right now, but I'm hanging in there. Look. It's almost done. I told you we were going to pull an all-nighter.
Yes, ma'am.
How you doing, babe? Good. He got his music on. Working hard. Oh, man. I hate putting together stuff. Them old thick instruction books. I don't like that. Hi, baby.
I need your help.
Oh, Lordy.
Come going nowhere.
Alright. Ooh, it's getting up there.
Here,
Huh?
I
Which?
gotta put these on tomorrow.
Oh, okay. What's those, babe?
The little legs. Right here.
Oh, okay.
But they go on first before you put those little rails on. So
Oh.
I gotta take those off. That's no reason.
Alright, y'all. These two little pieces, they gonna go on tomorrow. Cause we is tired and sleepy. So far, so good, though. That's nice, babe. Alright. See y'all in the morning. Hey, good morning, y'all. Oh, it's been a long night. We are almost with this bed. It's just two little pieces right here that go in the middle. So if that had been me putting it together, it would have been way more pieces than that. But it's going to be a simple thing because we just got to lift this mattress up and put the two poles in the middle. That's going to make it stay. And I want to commend my husband because this thing came with a gazillion billion pieces. And he got them all together. And if that had been me, I would have been through this thing out the window. I can't stand putting stuff together. But anywho, we got to get a full-size mattress up here. And this is queen size down here. So it's going to be a real nice to sleep on. I can't wait till the kids get here, my grandbabies. They're going to have fun. I can't wait to see them. Anywho, I'm going to come back with the finished look later on. And I just wanted to say thank you for spending a day with Daphne. I'll be back, y'all. Oh, okay, y'all. It's been 24 hours. And we finally got the bed together. Look at that. Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay. There. I want to jump in it. There we go. I love it, y'all. It's really, really nice. Thank you, baby. Now, I just want to see my grandson's face when he get here and see his new bunk bed. They on their way. So we'll be back, y'all. All right, bye.
Yeah. That's your bed.
Oh, look, Sandy, you like your bunk bed?
Yeah, I made that for my mama.
Okay.
Okay.
I made it on myself.
Huh?
I just live on it.
You like it?
I just lay on it.
You gonna lay on
You
it?
gonna lay on it?
Yeah.
Look at my babies. I don't know what I got on my eye. Say hi. You like the bunk bed too, Zadie? Oh, she's sleepy, y'all.
Yeah,
Look, he going straight for the toys. Going straight for the toys.
That was right with the toys was open.
Xander, how you like your bunk bed?
It was actually easy. This was actually easy.
You like it? Oh.
Those are all broken.
Sean? Oh. I was looking for my son. He went to get something out the car. I got my babies with me, y'all. I get my granddaughter. This is Miss Siley. She's a year old. Her sheepy. Her so sheepy. Oh, Granny gonna have her a good time this weekend. Oh, this your poor little baby. That's okay. We gonna get something snacks. And we gonna watch some movies. Okay. Oh, here go my son, y'all. Say hi.
Hey, y'all.
That's Big Daddy with the babies. Brought the babies over. Don't they look just alike? Look, y'all. Just alike. All right, y'all. Thanks for spending the day with Daphne. I'm finna enjoy my grands. And we're gonna have us a good weekend, y'all. All right, bye. Okay, y'all. I'm going to call it a night. Spend time with my grands. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending a day with Daphne. All right. See ya. Good night.